Hello friends, I welcome you all in one more interesting knowledgeable video. In this video, we talk about a very important circular of Central Board of Direct Taxes, circular number 2/2021 issued on 3rd of March 2021, a very important circular that directly connects with the non-residents income taxation, especially those non-residents who are facing problem of double taxation of income due to their forced stay in India. Why forced stay? Forced stay due to cancellation of some international flights due to COVID-19. Central Board of Direct Taxes for previous year 2019-20 has also came up with a circular that straight away gives benefit to the non-residents and excludes particular number of days from the days of residency for calculation of residential status. So the days that were excluded were from 22nd March 2020 to 31st March 2020, and the said circular was issued on 8th of May 2020. And again CBDT for the previous year 2020-21 means the current year, the year which is running, has also received lot many representations from individuals who were facing problem due to forced stay in India due to cancellation of some international flights. So CBDT in this circular has not straight away given any benefit to the individuals, but in the said circular CBDT has give reference to the section 6 of Income Tax Act 1961 that talks about residential status, as well as give reference to direct taxation avoidance agreements, and as well as some sections of Income Tax Act 1961 that says that there will going to be no double taxation to an individual due to forced stay in India. So when we see conclusion of this circular, this CBDT circular, the conclusion of the circular said that no individual will going to face double taxation as per the relevant or applicable provisions of the Income Tax Act 1961, as well as various double taxation avoidance agreements that India has with rest of the countries. Possibility of double taxation will not going to arise because of the arrangement that India have with rest of the countries in the form of double taxation avoidance agreement, because the income that used to taxed in India will not be going to taxed in some other countries, as well as the provisions of Income Tax Act 1961 also promotes this, that a particular income once taxed in India should not be taxed in any other country, and the vice versa, if taxed in the other country should not be taxed in India. In order to understand a possible situation that may arise in rarest of the rare case, where a particular individual may plugged into a situation where his income will going to be taxed in India as well as in the other country. So Central Board of Direct Taxes, by issuing this circular, wants to obtain data of such individuals and has prescribed a particular form. Again I am repeating, Central Board of Direct Taxes wants to obtain data of those individuals who seems to have a threat of getting income taxed in India as well as in the other country. So Central Board of Direct Taxes, by issuing this circular, wants to obtain data of those individuals and prescribed a form and prescribed a particular form. The name of the form is NR. So the form NR have to be filed by those individuals who may have threat of getting their income taxed twice in India as well as in the other country. So the prescribed form is form NR. If you want to access this form NR, the link of this particular form has mentioned in the circular itself. If you want to access it, the link of the said form I have also mentioned in the description box of this video. You can check out the description box for link, click on the link and straight away prepare your NR form and filed with the Central Board of Direct Taxes. So thank you for watching this video. It was all about a very interesting circular issued for obtaining information from those individuals who seems to have threat of getting their income taxed in India as well as in the other country. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you really like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.